Welcome to the Artificial Professor. In this video I will teach you how you can read messages without notifying another person. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to be heading over to your WhatsApp, and in here you'll be heading over to these three lines or three dots from the top right side of your screen and head over to Settings and Privacy. In here, you'll be able to see that we have this reader seats option, and we're going to be simply turning this off. Now, what this will be doing is that when it is turned off, you will not be able to send or receive read received, which is a blue text. So the double check will be appearing, but it won't be turning blue. So that way, the other person will not notified that whether you read the message or not. So that's a reasonable process. I really hope you found this video helpful. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video of the Artificial Professor.